So hi guys, let's quickly design the front page of a Jotter, Wedding Jotter using the PixelLab. Let me just re-enter it again, and then for the size is 904. Don't forget 904, and then the height should be the same with that's 1280. So I would delete this, and then I will go to my PixelLab and then import some of the images. Yeah, I will be using this for background. And just increase the size. Yep. So I will actually go to hue and then make the color to be this, and then I will go to gallery again and import. Where is my pin? Where is my, let me see. Where's my pin? Yep, I will import this. I will go to erase color and then erase the white color. Yep, let me just increase the tolerance here. So for this I will centralize it, and then for the opacity I would decrease the opacity a little bit. Yep, so I will go and import the guys. Where the so here is the image. I will just increase the size. Yep, and then I will centralize it. So now what I will do is I will go to my color filter and then increase kind of saturation to 8, or maybe let me say 7, and then I will go to shape. So I want to blend the edges here, the edge, the down edge with the background. So I will just do this, and then I will go to gradient color and then pick this. So for those of you who doesn't know how to actually blend a color with the background, I will leave a link in the description menu so that you can actually go and learn it. So here we go, you can see it. So now I'll actually go to my gallery, so let's say I will be using this. Yep, so I will go to erase color and then erase the color here. Yep, so I will just decrease the size of this and put it somewhere else here, and then for the color I will use this. Yep, so I will write the name of the guys, which is my car, drag it here. So I will go to font, then I will use this. Copy this. So what I will do here is I will add an, which is the icon. I will just go to my font here. I will pick a font like this and then put the color to be this yellow, and then I'll drag it down. Just put it here. Yep. Yeah. So I will actually go to my writing here and then put the date, which is 02/01/2025. Yep. So for this date here, I will choose Newton regular. Copy it again and then write congratulations, and I'll put it at the top here. Yep. Yes, we are good to go. Yep, we are good to go. Yeah, so I will just go and save my work here. It's actually saving, so I can decide to go to Snapseed and then do some of the editings. Let's say pop. I'll choose it and then go to color balance. Just edit the color, and then for the sharpening, I'll choose sharpening and then decrease the sharpening. Yeah. So for the sharpening, I can decide to leave it like this, and then I'll go to here, and then for the brightness, I'll just put a little brightness to it. Sorry. And for highlight, just increase it a little bit, and I can decide to actually save my work. So let's go to the back side of the jotter. So for the back side, I will just calculate the minimization and everything. Okay. So I will put M04, and I will go to gallery and then import the background. So I will go to color filter. So I will import the guys here. Let me just increase the value of saturation. So I will create a shape and then blend the edge here. Blend it to this. Okay, now I will go to gallery and then import a kind of tom pepper. I will leave the tom pepper link for you to download. Is that tom pepper? Yeah, see it here. So what I will do with this tom pepper is I will just align it toward here. Copy this. Let's say I put, yeah, a stroke of 2, and then I'll copy it again. So let me go and mark them. I'll go to centralize them. Yeah. So what I will do is I will texture them with a kind of image. I will texture it. So let's say this one first. Not the way I love it. Shit. Yeah. Put it like this. This is not good. This is not good. Well, this thing is trying to make me. Let me just leave it like this. Okay, and we go to the next image. Not really what I need. Why is this thing stressing me? Yeah, this is perfect. There you go again.
Bentley and W.
I'll put this once. And I'll copy it again and then put come in. So for this, I will change the color to yellow, and then increase the padding, the left and the right. Yeah, I can decide to save my work here. So I will go to Snapseed. So I will add the image here. Then go to pop. And then here you can go to color balance and then reduce the temperature. Yep, and then I will go to sharpening and then increase the sharpness of the image. Yeah, here we go. I think we are good to go with this. I will just export it. Yeah, it has been exported. So here is just how to do this. Thank you very much.